Most people believe they need a degree before they can make serious money. But in today's world, that is not always true. A degree can help, but it is not the only path. Many people increase their income by learning practical skills that solve real problems. Businesses do not pay you just because you studied something. They pay you because you can create value. Today, we're breaking down 7 high-income skills you can learn without a degree. Before we start, understand this clearly. No degree does not mean no work. It does not mean instant money. And it does not mean every skill will make you rich. A high-income skill still needs practice, proof, experience, and consistency. The goal is simple. Learn a skill, use it to solve a valuable problem, then turn that problem-solving ability into income. Skill number 1 is sales. Sales is one of the most powerful income skills because every business needs customers. If a company cannot sell, it cannot survive. Sales is not about forcing people to buy things they don't need. Real sales is about understanding problems, asking good questions, building trust, and helping people make decisions. If you can help a business bring in revenue, you become valuable. Sales can create income in many ways. You can work in commission sales. You can help local businesses close leads. You can become a sales representative. You can learn phone sales, email outreach, or appointment setting. The reason this skill is powerful is simple. It is directly connected to money. When your work helps create revenue, businesses pay attention. Skill number 2 is copywriting. Copywriting means writing words that persuade people to take action. It could be writing ads, emails, sales pages, product descriptions, landing pages, YouTube titles, social media hooks, or website text. Copywriting is not just good writing. It is understanding attention, emotion, pain points, benefits, and clear offers. Businesses need words that sell. A beginner can start copywriting by studying ads, headlines, emails, and product pages. Look at what makes people stop scrolling. Look at what makes an offer easy to understand. Then practice writing better hooks, clearer benefits, and stronger calls to action. You don't need permission to practice. But to get paid, you need samples that prove your writing can help someone get attention or sales. Skill number 3 is video editing. Video is everywhere now. Businesses, creators, coaches, real estate agents, educators, and local brands all need video content. Short-form clips, YouTube videos, ads, podcasts, reels, course videos, and tutorials all need editing. A good editor does not just cut clips. A good editor understands pacing, retention, emotion, hooks, captions, sound, and storytelling. This skill can be learned with free or low-cost tools. You can start with simple editing software, practice on sample videos, recreate viral editing styles, and build before and after examples. The opportunity is not just knowing buttons. The opportunity is helping someone keep attention. If your editing makes content more watchable, more clear, and more engaging, you are solving a real business problem. Skill number 4 is digital marketing. Digital marketing means helping businesses get attention online. This can include social media marketing, email marketing, SEO, paid ads, content strategy, analytics, and conversion improvement. A business may have a good product, but if nobody sees it, sales stay low. Digital marketing helps connect the product with the right audience. The mistake beginners make is trying to learn every marketing platform at once. Instead, pick one area first. Maybe learn email marketing. Maybe learn short-form content strategy. Maybe learn local SEO. Maybe learn simple ad management. One focused marketing skill can become more valuable than shallow knowledge of everything. Businesses pay for results, not buzzwords. Skill number 5 is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is not the same as becoming a full accountant. Bookkeeping is about organizing financial records, categorizing transactions, reconciling accounts, tracking invoices, and helping small businesses understand their numbers. Many small business owners hate dealing with receipts, spreadsheets, and monthly records. If you can make their financial life cleaner, you can become extremely useful. Bookkeeping can be a strong side hustle because many businesses need it every month. That means recurring service potential. But accuracy matters. Trust matters. And you must learn the basics properly before charging people. You do not want to guess with someone's financial records. Start by learning software, basic accounting categories, bank reconciliation, and monthly reporting. Skill number 6 is web design. Every serious business needs an online presence. A website helps customers understand what the business offers, where it is, how to contact it, and why they should trust it. You do not need to become a deep software engineer to start. You can begin with no-code website builders, landing pages, simple business websites, and conversion-focused design. The money in web design is not just making something look pretty. The real value is helping a business get calls, bookings, leads, or trust. A simple website that clearly explains the offer can be more valuable than a fancy website that confuses people. Learn layout, headlines, calls to action, mobile design, speed, and basic SEO. A website should work like a salesperson that stays online all day. Skill number 7 is AI automation. This is one of the newest income skills. Businesses are trying to save time using AI tools, but many owners do not know how to use them properly. AI automation can mean creating workflows, content systems, customer support drafts, research systems, email templates, lead tracking, or simple automations that reduce repetitive work. The value is saving time. But AI skill is not just typing random prompts. The real skill is understanding a business process. What is repeated? What wastes time? What can be systemized? What still needs human judgment? If you can combine AI tools with clear thinking, process design, and good communication, you can help businesses work faster without making everything chaotic. Now here is the important part. Do not try to learn all 7 skills at once. That is how people get overwhelmed and quit. Pick one skill based on your personality. If you like talking to people, study sales. If you like writing, study copywriting. If you like visuals, study video editing or web design. If you like systems, study bookkeeping or AI automation. Then use a simple learning plan. For the first 30 days, learn the basics and practice daily. For the next 30 days, build small samples or a portfolio. For the next 30 days, offer your skill to real people, small businesses, creators, or local clients. You do not become valuable by watching videos forever. You become valuable by practicing and helping real people. Your first goal is not to look rich. Your first goal is to become useful. Useful people can earn. Useful people can freelance. Useful people can negotiate better jobs. Useful people can build side income. A degree may open some doors, but skills create proof. And proof is what makes people trust you with their money. So remember these 7 skills: sales, copywriting, video editing, digital marketing, bookkeeping, web design, and AI automation. You do not need to master all of them. You need to pick one, practice deeply, create proof, and solve real problems. Because the future does not only reward people with degrees, it rewards people who can create value. So which skill would you choose first? Comment your answer below.